Okay, first garden video of 2022, and I don't know if you can see this, probably not, but it's snowing. It's February 22nd and it's snowing. So still quite early in the season, and it's mostly going to be prep work and growing seeds until May. But here is my new allotment in the Proctor Community Garden. I am at plot number 7, which is 20 feet deep by about 27 feet wide. You can kind of see it here. There's a slight slope, but really not that bad. A cute little bench, water. The previous steward planted roses, and those look like peonies, maybe. There's some bulbs over that, covered bed. It looks like these are more peonies. Another open bed, and a bunch of blueberries, which is cool. Then over here, a covered bed, and then a bunch of different trellising supports. So that is so cool. I am so excited. Can't wait to get going, but it's snowing. So this is gonna take some work. Anyway, that's the start of the garden for this year.